Hi guys, so in this tutorial we'll be looking at how we can automate form filling and submission, and for this tutorial we will use this Lambda test website, and we'll use a tool called SelectorsHub for step 1. So for step 1 we have to get the locators for all of these text fields and for this button also. So to do that, with SelectorsHub we will right click, inspect, click on this arrow icon and SelectorsHub, and I will copy the ID. Now you want to do this for every text field and this submit button, and you copy and paste the locators to a notepad because we'll need them later for coding. Okay, so then next we will start with coding, and first thing we want to do is we want to import all the classes that we need. Okay, so once that is done we can start. So now we will continue to code in the main method, and the first thing we want to do is to set up the ChromeDriver path. This path here, you can see you will want to change it to your path. Then next we will initialize the WebDriver. And then we will code the try-catch block. This is to make sure that if there are any exceptions that occur, the program will handle the exception. So we'll start with navigating to the Lambda test page. Then we will maximize the browser window. So next we will start to fill out the form fields, starting with the full name field. So to explain that the locators that you took with SelectorsHub, they will be put in here. So for full name field, you will put in the locator right here, and then eventually you'll do it the same for all the other fields. So for the submit button, it will be slightly different because after locating the element, instead of using send keys method, we will use the click method since we want to click the button. So it would look like this. Find the element first by XPath with this locator for the submit button, and you'll do a button.click. So after all is done, you will want to print the success message. And if there are any errors here, you want to print out any error messages. And finally, you want to close the browser after you're done with everything. Okay, and then we're done. So the next step will be to run the execution. So you want to right click, run as Java application, and you see the automation will be started. And you will start to see the forms being filled out, just like so. Yeah, and form has been submitted successfully. You can see it in this message here above, form submitted successfully. So that's the end of the tutorial.